So hey everyone, we will discuss the measurement of central tendency today in Excel, as well as we will discuss them how we find them mathematically. Okay. So measurement of central tendency, but whenever I do the descriptive analysis, जब हम descriptive analysis वाला part discuss करते हैं, so we have three things. One is mean. Okay, in central tendency, basically we want to find out the central part of the data. So one is mean, another one is median, and one is mode. Okay, so it depends on the data, which kind of data we have. Accordingly, we find the mean. So if I talk about the mean of a data, okay, so mean, or we can say it is average value. Okay, the mid value, basically we want to find out average of the data we want to find out, by the help of which we can easily make our decisions. So if we have a data in a simple form, let's say we have some peoples and their height is given. So what we have to do, first we arrange them in ascending or descending order. Why I'm saying this, always do this practice, arrange your data in some ascending order or in some descending order or whatever, there should be a order. Then what is the mean? In a simple kind of data, हम mean कैसे निकालते हैं? We just add all these values, sum of data, that means 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus so on, all these values upon number of data. So we add all these values and then we divide with that number. But if in case, let's say we have frequency as well as we have the range data, or you can say, see, we have this type of data. Okay, we have this type of data where the values is given and their corresponding frequency is given. So how we find out the mean? In this case, what we do, we just multiply these two first. That means x1 f1 plus then x2 f2 plus x3 f3. Okay, then so on upon, we just divide it by the sum of frequency. That means we add all the frequencies and divide it by the frequency. So we got the mean. Okay, I hope you understood how to find out the mean. And the third case, when we have a kind of data in which the range is given. Okay, in this the range is given. So first of all, what we need to find out, we need to find out the value x. X is nothing but the mid value. So we just find the mid value, 10 plus 20 by 2. This is the formula to find out the mid value. So 15 is the mid value, then we have 25, then we have 35, then we have 45, then we have 55. Then again, the same formula for mean. What is the formula? Summation of f into x upon summation of f. So इसका मतलब we have to multiply these two values. Okay, we have to multiply these two values, then add their values and divide it by the sum of frequency. So this is the formula for finding the mean in all the cases. So median is basically the middle term. So there are so many formula. If you have a simple kind of data, let's say we have a 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Let's say we have this data and we want to find out the median. So what is the formula? Median is the middle term. First of all, we arrange the data in a ascending order or in a descending order. Then what we find? We find their midterm. So how we find out the midterm is, the formula is simply, you can say this is your midterm. Okay, or either you want the formula is n is the number of datas. Okay, how many data we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Okay, plus 1, we have 8 data by 2. So that means the fourth term of the data is your mid value. But let's say for a moment, we have an even number of functions. So if we have even number of data, then what we do, we find the n by 2th term. Okay, let's say we have data like this: 4, 6, 8, 7, 9, 11. 6 times 6 data we have. So what we do, we just find n by 2 term. That means 6 by 2 third term plus n by 2 plus 1 term fourth term upon 2. That means seventh by this term. Na? Are you getting this point? So actually, in this case, when we want to find out the median, we use this formula. Okay, we just add the third term, fourth term, and then upon 2. So that means our final answer, the median is something about 3.5. Okay, the median of the data is 3.5. I hope you understood. In case of this, we choose this term, but here we choose the n by 2 term plus n by 1 plus 2 term upon 2. So whatever is the value we got, that is the mean of our data. Okay, if let's say we have a group kind of data, this kind of data, range of data. So what we do in that cases, we have to use the formula. Okay, L, okay, median in this kind of formula, we can use the formula L plus n by 2 minus CF, okay, CF, it whole divided by F into we have to multiply by H. So first of all, just try to understand the term, then I will give you the example, then I will tell you how to find in Excel. Okay, so L is basically we have to choose a median class. Median class is basically a middle of the term. Median class we have to choose any term, anything, any value you can choose the middle value. Let's say in this data I choose this one is your my median class. Okay, then L. L is the limit, okay, lower limit of the median class. N is what? Number of observation, how many times we done the observation. F is the frequency of that class. H is the class size. Class size in this case, you can say class size is nothing but 10. Okay, lower frequency of the median class is 10. What is the frequency? This frequency is also given to you. F is the frequency of median class. So it is also given to you. Then we have another term that is called cumulative frequency. So what is the cumulative frequency? Basically for this cumulative frequency is 5, for this 5 plus, and then we just add these two. Okay, how much you get? You got 13. Okay, then again you have to add this, we got 19. So these are the cumulative frequencies. So we have to choose the cumulative frequency of the term, okay, just before the median class. So preceding the median class means that is 13. So CF is in this formula. How much it is? CF 13. 13 is our value, or you can say 13 is our cumulative frequency of the previous class. Okay. H is already given to you. Okay. L is already given to you. N is number of observation. How many times we do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times we do the observation. So everything we have now, we just apply this formula. Okay. L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. So once I use this formula, we can able to find out the median of the data. Okay, we can draw the histogram. With the help of this, we can also find out the median. Okay, or you can say if histogram is given, then also we can able to find out the mean and median of the data. Okay, if graph is given, so we can easily able to find out the mean and median by the help of graph. And you can convert this graph into your your data set. Okay, like this you can convert your graph into data set, okay, and then you find out the mean and median. Next is mode is the most repeating term. So if this data is very easy or simple, we have to check for the most repeating term, okay, but in case your data is given in this range form, how we find? We have to find all these terms. We have to use this formula L plus Fm minus F1, Fm minus F1 plus Fm minus F2 into H. Now see what is Fm, what is L, everything. So first of all, you have to choose a model class. Any value you can choose. Let's say for a moment, I choosing this value as a model class. Okay, model class basically the class whose frequency is highest. So highest frequency is 18. So corresponding class is called your model class. Okay, I hope you getting. Then L. L is the lower frequency of the model class, which is 30 here. F1. F1 is the frequency of the class before the model class. So this is 12 in this question. F2 is the frequency of the just next class, है and H is nothing but the class interval. So I hope in this formula we require Fm, which is calculated. F1 we know, F2 we know, H we know, L we know. Fm is the frequency of your model class. Okay, Fm frequency of the model class. Okay, so everything we know. Now we use this formula, we can easily able to find out the mode of the data. Okay, so these terms जो भी हमने यहाँ पे पढ़े all are comes under central tendency. Okay, if I want to find out the central tendency for a data, we have to check for these three values: mean, mode, median, and a different type of question can be asked from it. Now I'm just telling you the Excel how to do it in Excel. Okay, if you want to use Excel, see, you go to the Excel. In Excel there is no such formula for the mean, mode, median for range value, but for a simple value, let's say the simple value is given to you. This is your Excel. Okay, this is the age of people. Let's say the age of the people is given to you: 13 years, 16 years, 19 years, 17 years. Okay, whatever is your data given. Okay, 18, 19, again 20, 23, 24, 19, 25, 59, 30, a set of data given. Okay, and I want to find out the mean of the data. So there is very easy formula, equal to, put equal to, then find for mean, but there is as such no nothing like mean, so we have to find out the average. I told you there is a average. Okay, so once you click on average, then choose the arrow and that particular array, sorry, and then close the bracket, just enter, you got the mean value of the data. Okay, next let's say you want to find out the median. So mean you can find out. Now you want to find out the median, so equal to, you just click for median, just select it, select your array and close the data. Okay, you can able to find out the median. And if you want to find out the mode, okay, again just equal. Okay, you just click for mode. Okay, so there is given, okay, mode for single data, for multiple data, just click in here, just close the data. Okay, you can able to find out the mode. Mode mean the most repeating term, you can easily find it out. Okay, so I hope you can able to understood everything whatever I have told here. uh, it's not too much tough, or you can say it's not you're not able to understood it, everything you easily able to understood. Okay, so all the term you can easily find out. But in generally, when I do the descriptive statistic, basically I'm not individually find the mode, mean, median. Okay, what I do, I just go to the this data part. Okay, here is a part you can see that is called descriptive data analysis. So in data analysis part is a, okay, there you can see a descriptive statistic, click on it, just choose your range. Okay, just choose your range, and then summary output range, we not require, we require summary output range. Let's say I just want, okay, just click here. Okay, so you got mean, you got just median, you got mode, everything you can easily able to find out by the direct formula also. Okay, so I hope every one of you understood. uh, in next lecture I will tell you the second part, that is your deviations. Okay, deviations. So in deviation we will find out the variance, the standard deviation, okay, interquartile range. For this we will find the box graph also, and how we calculate the values from the box table also. Okay, see there is an option, and when you see in insert table, you see there is an option for box graph. Okay, there you can see somewhere here. Okay, there is, just give me a second. There you should get a box graph. No, not having in this one. Okay, so in histogram there is a box table graph, so you can easily find out the box graph. Okay, you not need to do anything, you just click here in the histogram, you just go for the box graph in which you got the interquartile range, so you can draw the box graph easily also. Okay, you can convert the color, you want to add the data label. Data label basically mean, mode, median is given to you. Okay, q1 is given to you, q2 is given to you, interquartile range you can easily find out. So these are the use of Excel in management. Okay, so you can get so many information by these kind of data, by doing the by descriptive statistic. I hope everything you understood. Thank you everyone. God bless you all. Take care. Bye bye.